Hello everyone, welcome back to ZA Tutor Academy. In today's video, I'm going to show you a very interesting and powerful tutorial where we will combine Photoshop and ChatGPT to create something amazing. You will learn how to take a shirt image and make a person wear that shirt using ChatGPT and edit in Adobe Photoshop. So let's start the tutorial. So here we have two images. The first image is a photo of a man, and the second image is a shirt that we want the man to wear. Our goal is to use AI to place this shirt on the person realistically, and here you can see the result where the shirt has already been placed on the man. Now I will show you how we can generate this result step by step using ChatGPT. First, open ChatGPT. Then click on the plus icon and choose Add Photos. Now upload both images, the shirt image and the man's photo. After uploading the images, write the prompt. You can find this exact prompt in the video description, so you can easily copy and use it. Now send the prompt and wait for the result. And here is the result. Wow, this looks amazing. The image is very detailed and perfectly generated. The shirt fits naturally on the body, and everything looks clean and realistic. Nothing looks broken or distorted. This is exactly the kind of result we want. Great job by ChatGPT. Testing Google Gemini. Now let's try the same experiment with Google Gemini. Open Google Gemini and click the plus button, then choose Upload Files. Upload the same two images again, the shirt and the man's photo. Now write the exact same prompt. Remember, the prompt is available in the description. Let's check the result. Oh ho. Well, this is very bad, we shy. If you look closely near the arms and sleeves, you can see the problem. The shirt sleeves are coming outside the arms, and the clothing placement is incorrect. So the result is not very accurate. Let's try one more time and see if Gemini improves the result. Now let's check the second result. Unfortunately, it still hasn't fixed the issue. Upscaling with Leonardo AI open Leonardo AI. Click on Upscale. Then click Add Image and upload the image generated by ChatGPT where the man is already wearing the shirt. Now run the upscale process. Let's check the result. Perfect. The image quality is now sharper, clearer, and more detailed. Now we will open the upscaled image in Adobe Photoshop to make it even more realistic. First, open the ChatGPT generated image and press Ctrl+J to create a duplicate layer. Now place this duplicated layer together with the upscaled image. Next, make a copy of the upscaled image as well. Some parts of the upscaled image may not look perfect, so we will combine the best parts from both images. By merging the strongest details from each image, we can create a clean and perfect final result. Now go to File, then click New and create a new document using the YouTube thumbnail size. After that, return to the image. We will remove the background using the Object Selection tool. Click Select Subject, then refine the edges to improve the selection. Now move the cutout subject into the thumbnail document. Now create another copy of the layer by pressing Ctrl+J. Next, select the Mixer Brush tool. We will use this tool to smooth and blend details so the image looks more natural and polished. Camera Raw Adjustments. Now go to Filter and choose Camera Raw Filter. This is where we start enhancing the image. First, adjust the effects. Then move to lighting and adjust the lights. Next, go to Color and refine the colors. Finally, open Color Mixer and balance the color tones. Now create another copy of the layer using Ctrl+J. Next, we will apply several adjustment layers. First, apply exposure and adjust it. Then apply hue and saturation and fine-tune the color intensity. After that, apply color balance. Then apply selective color for precise color control. Now select all layers and press Ctrl+G to create a group. Duplicate the group and press Ctrl+E to merge it into a rasterized layer. Then apply Camera Raw Filter again and refine the details. Hold Alt and click on the mask, then use the brush tool to apply the adjustments only on selected areas. Finally, apply brightness and contrast to improve clarity. Group the layers again. Duplicate the group and rasterize it. Now apply an inner shadow effect. Convert this inner shadow into a layer. Add a mask, then use the brush tool to apply the effect only where needed. Apply Curves Adjustment to enhance the realism. Press Ctrl+I to invert the mask, and then paint with the brush tool to reveal the effect only in specific areas. Now let's look at the final result. Combination of ChatGPT and Adobe Photoshop. With ChatGPT plus Photoshop, we can create very realistic images. And that's it for today's tutorial. Don't forget to like the tutorial, leave a comment, and subscribe to ZA Tutor Academy. Thanks for watching the tutorial. Stay blessed.